I'm very happy. I'm on cloud nine. This is what I was longing and waiting for after so many years. I started my coaching in 1985, and every year I've been putting my application to the Minister of Sports. Was not coming. Finally, this year I put it nicely. And then something within me, karma, told me, Arman will get it this time. And there you are, just at the beginning of the new year. Good news. Praise the Lord.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Does it finally feel like, a little too late, but at least it's come your way, that this recognition has come to you finally?
To be honest, when I started, I didn't expect anything in return. But then when I realized that somebody else was getting it, I said, why not me? When with all those achievements, efforts, producing players who went to become getting Arjuna Award, captain of Indian national team. So why not? And then slowly, that's the inside of it. You've got all these achievements, all these awards. Why not Dronacharya for the last time? So I was fully, qualified to apply for it.
Yeah.
And glad, through God's grace, I got it. But this award, although I got it, remember, there are a lot of people to be applauded. My former players, recent players, owners of the clubs, Albert Culasso, Agnel Mascarenas, Mr. Srinivas Dempo, Mr. Chechul Alemão, Mr. FC Bardes, you see, and now Sporting Club with Goa. My assistant coaches, my supporting staff, more especially, Afonso, Camilo Gonçalves, Cristo de Almeida, Maesh Totlikar. You see, and the important is the players. Maesh Kauli, the full Dempo squad, Salseth Football Club gave me that platform to express my coaching. The minute I retired in 1985, it's Albert and Agnel who said, come Arman, let's coach. You got enough sense in you. And I went.